Okay. So we will be continuing with the same answer. That is what is the advertising budget. What are the different methods of deciding or framing the budget for a particular advertisement? Okay, because as I have said you, budget plays a very important role. Why? Because based on budget, we are deciding different parameters. That means what should be the objective of my business, what should be the goal of my advertisement, what should be the media that I'm going to use for my advertisement. Now, first, what we do, we decide what is the objective, the important objectives of the advertisement. First, to inform the customers or the target audience, or to persuade them, or to remind them. Okay, so these are the main objectives. And हम basically क्या करते हैं? Why do we advertise? We advertise to inform the targeted customers about our brand, about our corporate, isn't it? To persuade them, that means to influence them, to remind them what is my product, that and what all are the brands that are available in the market, isn't it? Every advertiser tries to reach to each and every targeted customers to inform them, to see them or to remind them that yes, this is my brand and I am available in the market. Because every advertiser cannot go personally to each and every targeted customers. So here we are taking the help of advertisement. Now, what is to inform? What is we are informing? To inform the customers about the new product. Basically, advertisement किस लिए help करता है हमें? To get the information of new products available in the market. To build the company's image. Okay. रेपिटेटिव एड्स हम लोग देखते हैं तो क्या होता है, वी आल्सो चेंज अवर मेंटालिटी. ओके, ये एड रिपीट हो रहा है, दैट मींस इट मे बी गुड, द प्रोडक्ट मे बी गुड, द personalities they are using in the advertisements, the testimonials, we have seen each and every examples of this. So this helps to create the company's image. Giving the information regarding the features of the new product, especially new product. Advertisement will focus for new product. Why? Because when we come across any of the new product, we want in-depth information, we want in-depth details. जो existing product है, जो सालों से existing है, उनके बारे में हमें पता होता है. Though we may not be using it, but yes, still we are knowing it. So for new product, we don't know anything, and the detailed information or the information is given by the advertisers, giving the ideas about new uses of the product. Okay, उसके साथ साथ हमें उसके uses भी बताएंगे, and they will provide us the complete impression of the product. Next, to persuade. Persuading the buyers to purchase the product. That means influencing them. हम क्या करेंगे, बायर्स को इन्फ्लुएंस करेंगे. We will try to change the mind of the customers that the particular customer should purchase my product, and the particular customer should purchase my goods. Encouraging buyers to switch from competitors product to other product. एडवर्टाइजमेंट किसके लिए हेल्प करता है? एनकरेज करता है हमें कि ओके, जो ब्रांड मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ शायद ये अच्छा नहीं है, तो मुझे क्या करना है, आई विल बी स्विचिंग टू अदर वन. But when this will happen, when the existing product is not giving you the satisfaction, when existing product is not to your up to mark, तब ये चीजें होंगी. Changing the perception about the product. Product का perception हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पर change करेंगे. To remind, yes, advertisements always helps you to remind about a particular product. बार बार हमें क्या डालेगा, वो reminder. We will be coming across the same ads not once, twice, thrice, again and again, again and again, again and again. So that becomes the reminder. Yeah. We will be coming across either through broadcasting media or through outdoor media or through internet media, any form of media. But yes, for same product, we will be coming across. So why they are doing this? They are doing this to remind the customer that so and so product is available in the market. Next, these are some of the ads which we usually come across and repetitively come across. See the creativity in these ads. See this Kit Kat ad, this broccoli. So advertisements basically needs creativity because same product को अगर मुझे सेल करना, मैं सेम टेक्निक से सेल करूंगी तो नो, it will not be sold out. Okay, so I will have to create sorry, some creativity in my advertisement. Now, what is advertising budget? What it is actually? It defines how much to spend on advertisement. Budget क्या होता है? Budget basically is that how much we are supposed to spend for a particular event or a particular occasion. ठीक है? तो वही हम डिसाइड करते हैं. अगर आप छोटा सा अपने फ्रेंड का बर्थडे भी बनाते हो तो वो बर्थडे क्या है? बर्थडे इज द ओकेशन एंड व्हाट वी डू, वी फाइनलाइज द बजट, इजंट इट, कि कितना हमें स्पेंड करना चाहिए, कितना कंट्रीब्यूशन होना चाहिए. इट इज वन ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजन. इट विल नॉट बी सेम फॉर एवरी कंपनी एंड इंडस्ट्री. इट्स ट्रू, हर एक कंपनी के लिए वो सेम नहीं होगा बिकॉज स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज विल बी डिसाइडिंग बजट ऑन देयर टर्नओवर्स. Large scale companies or the multinational companies will be deciding their budget on their turnovers. So this will be decided based on what is your turnover. जैसे अभी मैंने बताया, अगर आपके फ्रेंड का बर्थडे है तो हम क्या करते हैं, अपने बजट, अपने पॉकेट मनी या आपका जो भी होता है आप उससे डिसाइड करते हैं कि कितना आपको कंट्रीब्यूशन करना चाहिए. आप दूसरे फ्रेंड्स या दूसरे ग्रुप्स को देखते होंगे कि वो लोग और अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, बिग बिग गिफ्ट देते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि उनका बजट हाई है, आपका नहीं है, है ना. सो व्हेन वी डिसाइड समथिंग, व्हेन वी टेक अ डिसीजन, दिस डिसीजंस आर बेस्ड ऑन आवर ओन बजट. कंपैरिजन हम लोग कर सकते हैं बट स्टिल द फाइनलाइजेशन इज बेस्ड ऑन योर ओन बजट्स, योर ओन टर्नओवर्स. ओके, so this is what the advertisements budgets. And what are the factors, छोटे-छोटे factors and that we should be considering. Number one, stages in the product of life cycle. Product life cycle क्या है? For as like human being, every product also has its own life cycle. Okay, there are 4 stages of product life cycle. First is your introduction stage, then your growth, then your maturity and then decline. हर एक प्रोडक्ट को इस 4 स्टेजेस से जाना ही है. इंट्रोडक्शन, growth, maturity and decline. Okay, so based on in which stage you are. If you are in introduction stage, you will have to give more expenses for your advertisements activities. Why? Because you are newly introducing your product in the market. So here you need more promotions, here you need to spread more information about the product in the market. So in first stage you will be spending more. In growth, slightly the budget will be reduced. Why? Because you will be familiar in the market. Third, maturity, बहुत कम हो जाएगा advertisement expenses. Why? Because you have gained the market, you have captured the market. अगर third stage आपने maintain नहीं किया तो क्या होगा? Fourth is decline, that means you are out of the market. And when you say you're out of the market, that means again you will have to start with the first stage. So this cycle goes on. Market shares and consumer base, that means company which is having high market share, usually they will be advertising less. ये कब आता है? ये third stage में आता है, maturity stage में. Okay, example your Apple products, highest market share, highest goodwill in the market. So they don't need to advertise more because the products will be sold based on the brand. Isn't it? उन्हें इंट्रोड्यूस करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है ना. Apple means is a trustworthy product. Advertisement frequency. Now again, the budget will also depend on your frequency. How many times you are repeating your product in a particular day, in a particular week, in a particular month. how many times you are supposed to repeat. So the more the repetition, more will be your budget. Okay, जितने बार आप रिपीट करोगे उतना ज्यादा आपका क्या होगा, खर्चा बढ़ जाएगा. बजट विल बी इंक्रीज. Competition. What my competitors are spending, or what are the strategies my competitors are using. Okay, so I want to beat the competition. I want to defeat my competitor. So based on that also we will be deciding our budget. Product sustainability. कितने टाइम तक मेरा प्रोडक्ट क्या करना चाहिए, सस्टेन करना चाहिए. ओके. Next, what are the process of developing an ad budget? From where we should start? See, setting the advertising objectives. Always anything, whether you are advertising, whether you are deciding the budget, anything you are doing, everything should be starting from your objective. What is your objective? Advertisement, as I said you, whether your objectives are only to inform the customers or your objectives are to sell the good. First you decide it, what are you going to do? Then determine the task, how I am going to perform it. Okay, setting again the objectives and then determining the task. यही करना है हमें, दो चीज, ऑब्जेक्टिव सेट करना है और परफॉर्म करना है. Next, preparing advertising budget. Then objective decide किया आपने, task decide किया, फिर आप क्या करेंगे, you will be deciding the budget. Then that budget should be approved. Okay, see, budgets are mostly prepared by the secretary or by the accountants and all, or some of the board director members, or the advertisement representative or the media representative. ठीक है, बट हायर अथॉरिटी नहीं करता है, तो इसके लिए अप्रूवल जरूरी है. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू आर नॉट स्पेंडिंग फ्रॉम योर ओन पॉकेट. फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज टू बी स्पेंड, वहां जाके हमें क्या करना है, अप्रूवल लेना है. देन allocating this advertising, how are we going to distribute this budget, and monitoring and control. Always there should be control. मॉनिटर तो करना ही है, लेकिन उससे इंपॉर्टेंट है कंट्रोलिंग. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी आर डीलिंग इन मनी. सो द व्हाटएवर एक्सपेंसेस यू आर डूइंग, दैट एक्सपेंसेस शुड बी कंट्रोल्ड. ओके, नेक्स्ट. So we will be moving ahead. Number one method is affordable method. The name itself gives an idea about this method. That means affordable. Whatever budget I am selecting, that budget should be affordable to me. The amount which I am spending, that should be affordable to me. See, for example, again, when we come to marriage, I said you in marriage, people spend from 50,000 to 50 lakh rupees. Isn't it? If my relative has spent 10 lakh rupees for a particular marriage, I cannot, because that is not affordable to me. If my cousin is wearing 17, 20 or 30,000 blazer suit, I cannot wear it. Why? Because it is not affordable for me. So all you can afford. Based on that, you will be deciding your budget. जितना आप अफोर्ड कर सकते हो, जितने में आप कंफर्टेबल हो, isn't it? तो उतना ही हम लोग क्या करेंगे, based on that we will be finalizing our budget. Next, this we have seen percentage of sales method. What we will be doing, we will be deciding a certain percentage based on our previous year sales, based on our previous year budget. So उसको हम लोग देखेंगे previous year हमने कितना खर्चा किया था. Based on that we will be increasing either 10% or 20%, because budget जो है होने के बाद नहीं बनता, ये पहले बनता है. Okay, so some hike we will be keeping of the percentage of seeing at the market inflation rate or deflation rates. Based on that we will be increasing or decreasing the percentage of a particular good. Some goods maybe, some budgets may decline. market is under deflation, so budget may decline. Budget may be low comparing to last year's budget. Next, competitive method. As I have said yesterday, what is competitive method? Comparing our competitors' budget and then finalizing our budget. This is basically is done for the new established firm. When you are opening a new firm and you don't know how to finalize your budget, what you should do, you should see the budget of your competitors because they are the existing ones and they are framing their budgets accordingly. So based on that, you decide your budget by changing fee amount, by changing some increase and decrease. Okay, ये सबसे easy method है. Competitors को पूछो आपने कितना खर्चा किया. Okay, based on that you will be deciding yours. Objective and task method. Here the promotion budget is prepared after analyzing overall objectives. कब करेंगे हम लोग इसको finalize? We will be viewing each and every objectives what we have set, each and every goal what we have set for a particular advertisement. Based on that, we will be deciding the budget. This is minutely analyzed. Objective or the task method is very minutely analyzed. Okay. Consider the cost required performance task. What is the cost required for performing a particular task? Okay, the sum of the cost is prepared and the proportions of the project. Next, judgment method. What is this judgment method? This method is the experience and the senior managers are taken and based on that prepare the budget. Judgment, that means your experience. Years together who is preparing the budget, we know. For example, if I will give you a task at the end of the lecture. So as I said you again, we will come to the marriage. If you're having marriage, first marriage in your house and you don't know how to do it, what we do, we usually go to the senior persons, the experienced person, and we gather the information from them and then we decide. Okay, this is what is your judgment method. That means the experienced people, we will be taking the help of them. The seniors people, we will be taking the help of them. And then we will be planning our budget and then we will be deciding our budget. Incremental concept approach. Okay, it is also known as increase over last year's budget. Incremental, easy, name से ही पता. Incremental यानी कि increase करना. What are we going to increase? See, we will be seeing our previous budget. Okay, keeping that as a benchmark, and then we will be increasing this year's budget. Because every year the inflations and the market prices are going high. So obviously the cost of a product, the cost of the goods will be increasing. So we will also increasing our budget based on the last year's budget. Okay, incremental यानी increase करना. Return on investment method. Okay, this method, cost incurred for advertisement will be taken. That means according to this method, investing and advertising with an expectations of return. Why are we investing? We are investing because name is return on investment. That means we are investing in a particular advertisement so that we should also get return. Okay, जैसे आपका friend promotions कर रहा है किसी product के लिए and your friend is not having that much of budget, उसको shortfall हो रहा है. So what you can do, if you are having the money, you can invest over there. Stating that whatever the product will be sold out, you will be getting some share. तो वो होता है return on investment. Advertisements वो करेंगे, products वो sale करेंगे, हम क्या करेंगे? We will be getting some portion, we will be getting some shares from it. Quantitative method. According to this method, the advertising budget is prepared using the statistical methods. ठीक है, कितना यूनिट सेल हुआ था लास्ट ईयर, उसके लिए कितना बजट हमें गया. ओके, कितना यूनिट सेल होगा इस ईयर, उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम लोग को कितना अमाउंट रखना चाहिए. ये क्वांटिटी वाइज, especially these are done by the who are selling the goods in quantity. Experimental method. These experiments and tests are taken over chosen market. जैसे sampling. when the product before final launching in the market, what we will be doing, we will go for sampling. Okay, so agar the customers, we are thinking that okay, the customers are accepting the goods, the customers are giving favorable answers for the goods, a favorable approach for the goods, then we will be launching the product. Agar nahi, then we will be dropping the product. Okay, इसमें लेकिन क्या है, एक drawback है. If the sample fails, your product launching will be failed. You will not launch the product. So इसके लिए वो sampling or the advertisement campaign should be strong. Your target customers should purchase the goods or should give you the favorable approach. For example, Domino's. See, Domino's come across with different variations, and for few days they keep as a sampling, and then they will ask you the questions, and then they will record कितना favorable answer आया. अगर favorable है, then they will be continuing with that particular variation. अगर नहीं आता है, unfavorable है, they will drop it. Okay, what is the conclusion of this? It is considered as pre-arrangement plan design. What is advertisement budget? Advertisement budget is a pre-arrangements of plan. Obviously, हम लोग पहले से सब कुछ decide करते हैं ना, and then we will be finalizing one. Okay, from where it is referred from the marketing management